Hey there, it's Shayna from Hello Teacher Lady. This video is going to go over some new features in Google Docs. The first feature is checklists. So this is something I was really excited about when they added it in. It works just like bullet points. So you're going to highlight the text that you want to turn into a checklist, and you're going to come up here. It's actually this icon right next to the bulleted list icon. So you're going to click that, and now you've got your checklist. So simple as that. And when you click on the checklist items, you can see that it will automatically strike through the text. So just a cool like interactive feature that they added in. So that is checklists in Google Docs. This next feature has to do with tables. So if I wanted to insert a table into my Google Doc, I would come up to Insert Table, and then I would add in however many rows and columns I wanted. Now, you may have noticed when I went up to Insert Table that there is actually a new menu here, which is Table Templates. So this is a set of pre-made templates that Google has added. And if I click on, let's say, Launch Content Tracker, it gives me a pre-made template, and I can change the headers if I want. I can add in my own data or my own information, but just another way that Google is trying to help us work a little smarter, right? Giving us a pre-made template obviously is going to save some time. So a couple other of the templates you can see here: a product roadmap and review tracker. So this actually leads me to the next feature, which is drop-down menus, something I'm super excited about. You may have noticed these additions on the preset table templates. If I click on them, they are actual drop-down menus, so like interactive drop-down menus right in Google Docs, which is pretty cool. You can add or edit the options that they give you in the preset, so you can come here and edit what they already have. You can also add your own, so let's say you just wanted to start from scratch. You're going to come up here to Insert and then Drop Down, and you can see that any preset or any templates that you have used will now be part of your like preset drop-down menu, so it's like really easy to use one and use it again later. But let's start a new drop-down here. And you can give it a template name, and this is the name that's going to show up in your preset drop-down menu. So I'll just do, like, for example, class check-in. And you can change the colors of the drop-downs as well. So you could say, like, green would be all good, red would be needs help, and then you could click save. And this will give you a drop-down, and you can change it. Oh, and if you want to get rid of options 3 and 4, you can just click the little trash icon. So now I'm going to save, and I've got my new drop-down. So pretty cool new feature. I am super excited about this. This is drop-downs in Google Docs.